Okay, so when you boot into Oracle Linux 8.2.0, it should show you the options, something like this: install Oracle or test it. Okay, so what we will do is we will choose the install Oracle Linux. Hit enter. Next thing, it should load the drivers necessary for the installer. Oracle is based on Red Hat code, so it should make use of the respective. Now make sure to choose the language and also the language for keyboard. So these two things once selected, you can click continue. Now here you can see it selects the keyboard on its own, also language support, along with time, date and few other things. So first make sure to select time, date. So here I'm going to choose Asia, then choose Calcutta for my time zone, then choose AM PM, it can also auto sync later, but it's better to set it right now. Right, so 7:14 p.m. Today's date is 15/2/22. Right, so once done, click the button. Then you have network and host related information. For now it's not connected, security policy not connected. So let's go to the system. So here let's set it to, I would like to make additional disk space available. Then in add disk, we don't have anything right now, so let's click done and hit done again. So reclaim space should show you the automatic allocation. Then click begin installation. So it will ask you for few settings like root password and user creation. So let's set the root password. Right, click done. And now user creation. So let me add the user, make this user administrator, require password to use this account. Right, now click done. Now we have created root password, also we added one user. Now it should begin the installation after this. Okay, at the end it will say it is completed the installation and you can click on this reboot. Okay, then it will show you the options at the boot. Okay, it will also show you if your license is not yet accepted, so select this and it should show you the license agreement. Select accept the license agreement and then at the top you have to click done and then finally hit finish configuration. Okay, at the login you have to select your user and then enter the password, and now it should take you inside to the desktop. So click on register system once you are inside. Right, so it should show you the language option. So basically this is Genome Desktop. Select next, then choose the English. We have US English. Then location service, you can turn it off. Right, you can skip this and you can now start using Oracle Linux server.